guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you are watching Domestic Diva. Today I am participating in a challenge hosted by Natalie from Design to the Nines and Jennifer from Little Bit of Calm and Crazy. The challenge is called the Ultimate Christmas Wreath Playlist, and pretty straightforward. We're making a wreath. I have lots of wreath throughout my house, so I am going to be working on the one going above my fireplace in my family room. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, I would love for you to press the subscribe button, and also make sure after you're done watching my video you check out the playlist and Natalie's and Jennifer's channel as well. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So the materials that I will be using, a wreath that came from Dollarama several years ago. I am not quite sure how much it cost. I'm sure it was under $4. Then I had picked up these picks, as you saw if you watched my haul. I'm not sure how I'm going to use that still. Then I picked up some of these antlers. I had this holly berry garland that I might use as well, and then I have some dry eucalyptus and some dry magnolia leaves that I'm certain I will be using, knowing which way I want this wreath to go. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm preheating my glue gun in case if I decide I need to use it. But the first thing that I'm doing is I am going to separate this garland. And I will be putting this garland in my family room above my big fireplace. And the color theme for that room is very traditional. Okay, I'm going to adjust it as it needs it. So my thoughts are that I will be putting some of these dry branches inside of it. And then I'm going to try and fit these in. Then I'm just going in with these smaller ones and just kind of putting them in where I see fit. Just play around with it. If you're not certain, then I would suggest don't hot glue everything until you have it where you want it. That's what I did with my fall wreath. I just kind of place things first, and then I hot glue them after. With this one, I'm living on the wild side and I'm just putting stuff in. I just wanted it to look very natural, so that's what I'm doing. I'm still not certain how I'm gonna use these. I'm thinking maybe I will take a couple of them apart completely. I do love the way this one is looking. I'm not sure that I'm going to be adding these antlers. I just think that it might be maybe it won't be too much. Let me just see. Maybe I won't attach them. I will just put them on, and then if it's not working for me, then I will just take them off. So here it is, all hung up. This is where it's going to go. I don't have any decorations on my fireplace, but I do think that this will be a great piece to tie in all my main floor decor, because there's gonna be some white, some gold, some natural elements all throughout the house, and this wreath has it all, and it will all tie it in together. So I would like to thank Natalie and Jennifer for hosting this challenge or a playlist. I have participated in a fall one as well, which I will link in the corner if you want to check out my fall one, and also there's a link to that playlist as well that you can check out. So until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.